guys, today I'm gonna do titration. First we have to fill the urine with the solution and water also. And also we have to put the solution, it's sodium hydroxide inside. And take the filter out and also take the urine out to rinse the solution to go through everywhere to make sure that the solution is everywhere in the urine. And after you finish this part, put it in back here and let the solution out to the waste. And to make sure it's gonna go everywhere, you have to do it 3 times. After rinsing the urine, we have to put the solution of sodium hydroxide into this one for further titration. This is the filter, put it in here. And the next step, we have to put the H2SO4 into the conical flask. This is the 25 ml pipette. I'm gonna rinse it first to make sure that the secret is everywhere. The acid is everywhere. Here, you see it? I'm washing it, and when I'm done with this, I'm gonna put it into the waste pitcher. Okay, now let's start with pipetting the H2SO4 into the conical flask. Okay, 25 into the line here. Okay, 25. So I'm gonna put it into the conical flask. Okay, so here's the conical flask with 25 ml of acid sulfuric. And of course, don't forget the indicator, phenolphthalein. If we put it into the basic environment, it's gonna turn into pink. We're gonna put around 4 or 5 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 5 drops of indicator. And now to the most difficult part, titration. Okay, I'm gonna the first initial is around 10.5, and now let's start the titration. I'm gonna turn on the knob here, slowly, to make sure that it's not gonna over titrate.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's over titrate. Anyway, even it's over titrate, it's my masterpiece. So I still have to rinse the tip of the burette to make sure it's not gonna change the color. Okay, whoopsie. Okay, I rinse it and shake it. Still the color doesn't change. Oh, I forgot to read the the final volume. So now it's become around 35.3. I think it's 35.3. Is it? Okay, so my titration is done, and this is my result. Thank you for watching.